Welcome to the world of fantasy sports in 2025. Today, we're diving into the FanDuel app, exploring its features and how to make the most of your fantasy sports experience. First things first, let's create your account. We'll walk you through the step-by-step registration process to get you started. Now that you're registered, let's explore the home screen. Understanding the layout is crucial for navigating the app effortlessly. Next, we'll set up your fantasy sports profile. This allows the app to tailor recommendations based on your interests. FanDuel offers a variety of fantasy sports options. Let's take a look at what's available and find the sport that's right for you. It's important to understand the types of contests available. Let's break down the differences between free and paid contests. Time to build your fantasy team. We'll guide you through drafting players and managing your budget for the best lineup. Once your team is ready, entering a contest is a breeze. Let's walk through how to finalize and submit your team. Stay on top of your game with real-time updates. Here's how to track your performance and see how your team is scoring. Those are the basics of using the FanDuel app in 2025. Remember these tips for success and keep an eye out for future updates that will enhance your gaming experience.